Alright guys, so I'm here with Frank. You want to talk about your car?
Yeah, it's so it's a 91 Mustang. It's convertible. It's a 351 stroke down motor. It's a 408 with TFS 3 cam basically and 170cc heads. So I'm trying to make up with it with the 150 shot. And yeah, just trying to see. I'm trying to hit sixes. I'm at right at a 7 right now. So
awesome.
We'll see if I can get there. Maybe if they let me have one more pass.
Awesome, man.
Yes, sir.
So you got some the Mickey Thompsons?
Yeah, Mickey Thompson's 28s, 10 by 10 and a halves, 15s, the old school welds, but I found them on the Race Star website, so picked those up.
I think they look awesome.
Yeah, I like them. They're cheap, $100. That's all they cost.
I'm about to look at something like that.
Yeah, they're pretty cheap.
Alright, as far as the engine, what you got? Well, you already told me what the engine is.
The engine, so it's a 351, let's see, it's an 80s block. It's got the Ford X303 heads, so obviously those are undersized, but so 170cc heads with it's basically a stage 3 cam. I bought it as a long block, so the way you see it, I just changed the intake, put different valve covers, and then I'm spraying a wet kit, 150 shot through just a single nozzle right now.
Okay.
And other than that, I mean, it's got a TKO trans, 14 gears, and that's it. The exhaust obviously, but it's a pretty simple setup.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
And it moves.
It was pretty decent. It's fun in the car running down the drag strip for sure.
Is it the wet kit or?
Yeah,
kit?
it's a wet kit. Yeah, and it's got 150 jets in it right now.
Cool.
So. And it's tuned with the Stinger Pimp XS.
Awesome.
Yeah, I really like it. It seems to be very responsive and with the data logs and all. It's just like the microscore. The same thing. That's how I started. In fact, you can still see the map sensor right there. I just unplugged it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's still there.
So you just run a vacuum straight to the ECU?
Yeah.
Okay.
Running it right off of this elbow right here.
Gotcha.
Back to the ECU. And then I added a pressure transducer for the fuel just to monitor the fuel pressure, so I can tie that right into the Stinger, and then also the Stinger monitors it controls the nitrous. And so
awesome.
that's the only reason why I moved up to it, but it works just as the other one.
More control.
Yeah, more inputs, outputs, but
kind of like with the micro. I'm out of spots now, but I got some wire. I can still pin it.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm pretty close to maxing the capability of it.
That's it. Yeah. I try to cheat and try to make the micro work with this, and I did very little effort. I tried it one time and eliminate the IAC signal.
Yeah.
And send that pulse width into the solenoids, but it didn't work the first time, and I just said, all right, I'll just try this.
I may go down that road. Maybe.
Yeah. The only thing is, it's stuck on the floorboard because I don't want to have the trouble to still stuff it into.
Yeah. Is it the same size as the stock ECU?
Exact size.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
exactly.
those could be a pain, especially you got wired up and all.
Exactly.
Cool.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So there it is, convertible. I guess the next thing I need to get a roll cage.
Okay.
I'm trying to get it to where I can run it back to back like that.
Nice. Still got stock style seats in?
Yes.
Sort of?
Yeah, stock style seats. Manual car.
Hell yeah.
I'll try to see how good I can get there before I go auto. I got friends with autos, and it's I know it's quicker, so maybe I can just get better at shifting.
Yeah, right. At least try.
I still haven't power shifted either, so that could be one of the next things.
Right. Yes, yeah, because I'm thinking too. I mean, with a turbo car, obviously the auto is the best.
Right.
Because you're gonna stay in boost.
It'll stay in boost.
And shifting, you lose boost. You gotta build it back up.
Yeah.
But
I tuned a car with the C4 in it. It was supercharged, and I was impressed where as they drop RPM, that boost stays in. Not like what you sit on the drop on a manual car. So yeah, we'll see. Your new setup's gonna be badass.
Hell yeah, man! I'm excited. I can't wait.
Yeah, for sure.
Jay sent me photos throughout the day. Like, man, you're making it hard for me to work.
It would be for me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
So we're close. We got work on the downpipe. Wait for parts from that. We had to order a flange from On3 because they had all the flanges they had.
Right.
Didn't fit the turbo.
I got you.
So we had to order get some special flange for it.
Sure.
So that should be coming in this week. We finished the downpipe. That's pretty much almost it. Except for me having to seal it up.
Yeah.
And I mean, also going to have to adjust the tune and all.
Yeah. You'll get it though.
Oh yeah.
It'll happen before you know it.
Right.
Sweet.
Awesome, man.
Yes, sir.
Hope I get you one more time running.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to run one more time.